CSS, and it is a CSS3 is more advanced feature, a third version of CSS, which has more capabilities, more features to enhance the website's interactivity and visual appearance as well. So more on it will be given by our educator Meenakshi Vyas. So, in case you have any questions or doubts with respect to the last week's session, you can please type in on the chat box and leave your question there. And also, if you don't want to ask the doubts right now, if you have not gone through the course, you can always mail it to springboard-support@infosys.com with the subject Harshakti Cohort 2. It's a sincere request to please go through the content so that in case you are not following or you don't understand anything, you can always check with our educator in the coming week or the coming class. I'll put the link for today's session as well. You can just look
Hello.
up for
Yeah,
CSS3
please join session here.
in the search bar.
Okay, okay, thank you.
You will be able to get a lot of courses, but we are referring to Infosys Wingspan content on CSS3. I'll just be putting the link also. As I told you, you can also refer to the courses provided by the other content providers also. So all you have to do is search for CSS3, and in the source you can look for Infosys Wingspan content. So this will be another prerequisite for front-end web developer certification. I wasn't there for the wrap up of the last session due to some other work. So I guess our educators Braj and Meenakshi Vyas would have told you, if at all you attend the assessment with 60% and above, you'll be able to earn a course completion certificate. So please secure and earn the course completion certificate for HTML5, the language, and post today's and tomorrow's session and going through the course for this particular week on CSS3. You can also take up the assessment on CSS3, and on securing 60%, you will be able to get a course completion certificate. So these course completion certificate are very much required. It's mandate to take up the certification at the end, which is on the front end web application. So if you have any doubts with respect to that, also you can put in your question on the chat box. We'll answer it at the last. So we are already at 11:07. Meenakshi, I request you to please continue and go ahead with the session.
Sure, thank you so much, Prithvi. So I hope there are no other doubts from the previous session. Yes, no, like except one thing which I promised to show.
Ma'am, I have a one doubt, ma'am.
Yeah, yeah, please tell me.
Can I share my screen?
Yes, please.
Okay. Ma'am, this is the prototype I have developed for the Autopub Mechanic app.
Mm-hmm.
So while in the book a service or schedule appointment page,
Mm-hmm.
when I type the content, when I submit the submit button, it's not going to the corresponding page, ma'am. Actually, I given the uh, correct HTML only.
Okay, 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 okay. Can you show me this action once again?
Yeah.
So you have
Actually,
created form, right? Can you scroll up?
yeah. Here I
Form
have
action booking dash success dot html method. You have also written post. Now, can you show me the file name?
file name. This one booking HTML success.
This is in the same folder.
Yeah, yes, ma'am. I put it in the same under HTML folder.
Hmm, 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 hmm.
So in that
Okay.
I searched that they given the
Hold,
solution like
hold, hold, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. Can you scroll up again? Hold, hold. Mm, can you open this booking dash success? Mm-mm-mm. Yeah. Try one thing, remove this booking dash because I think some space issue is there.
okay,
So you write booking underscore. We don't use dash, so use underscore.
okay,
Yeah, and rename this file name as well as booking underscore success.
yeah,
Can you save both things and try running again?
yeah. I gave auto save.
No,
Can you refresh the page?
booking dash success is opening till now. Can you see in the
Oh,
browser?
okay. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
Then
so
the
it is not, yeah, so that means the linked file is not the same you are referring to. Open the HTML folder.
yeah, this one, this one, ma'am.
Okay, please clear your cache and try once again.
Yeah, okay,
Or you can use different browser, that is also fine.
okay. I will try after that, ma'am.
Yeah. And
Yeah,
can you show me the code, submit code again before stop sharing?
sure, ma'am.
Okay. So you have written input type equal to submit. Okay, so okay, fine, fine, fine. Uh, I will request you this input type submit. It is submit. You have this also, no? What can I say?
Input type image,
Input type, where you
image.
are
అది ఓన్ విలేజ్
entering.
నాకు కాల్ చేయడానికి
Okay,
లేదు
No, no, input type because I wanted to show that
ఇంకేంటి
default
నాది
thing, no?
ఎత్తుకొచ్చావు ఏదో కావాలి నీకు
this one,
You
ma'am.
please
Input type
input
submit.
type equal to text. Text. Anywhere you have used
నేను
text
తినలేను
box.
Yeah,
ఇప్పటి నుంచి
Yeah. So use
వర్షం
value
వస్తే
equal to
మాకు ట్యాబ్లో
default name.
ఆడుకోండి ఓకేనా
where,
Add
ma'am?
one more field. Like you have
ఫ్రిడ్జ్
written
అని
ID,
చెప్పండి
name,
చెప్పలేనమ్మా
Yeah,
right?
ఆల్రెడీ
Yeah.
11:30 అయిపోయింది
So before required, you type value equal to
చూద్దాం ఇప్పుడు
full name. Yeah. Can you run? Save and run.
in the appointment page or success page, ma'am?
First save.
Okay.
First save.
Yeah, it's auto save.
No, no. Control S you have pressed, right?
Ma'am, here I gave auto save option, ma'am.
Yeah, but still you have to save it again.
Oh, okay, okay.
Auto save is fine.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, that
See,
full name is coming.
yeah, full name is coming, right? So likewise, you can avoid using labels sometime. And can you see the form you have created has a very bad alignment, right?
Yes, ma'am. I have to.
Yeah. So how can you align this?
By using tables?
Yes, by using tables, you can align your form properly so that it
Okay.
looks good, right? or
Yeah.
you can, even use some width, height, margin, border, padding, these kind of attributes, so that your form looks good.
No, okay, ma'am.
Hello.
Yeah,
Yeah,
better
sure,
you put
ma'am.
it in tables, because tables will be very easy for you at the initial stages, right?
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
All right. So this is all about HTML, and I'm happy that you have started, creating one project for yourself also. Yeah. So the CSS course link Prithvi has already pasted in the chat box, and I'm opening that course. Yeah. So CSS, right? So CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheet. In short, we only call that style sheet, right? So can anybody tell me what is the use of these sheets? Why
Giving
we
beautiness to the web page.
Web pages,
page? Yes, yes,
inclination.
yes, yes, yes. So basically, CSS is used so that we can have, we can beautify our pages, right? Like we have created some of the pages earlier. The pages are so boring, right? Like they don't have any color, they don't have any image. Like images we can add, but they are very boring.